If you watched episode 1, you know that I turned basically every single image on this machine into an aardvark, and it's not really in a usable state at the moment, so I decided before I go ahead and do something destructive like format and reinstall, let's do something destructive, like remove every single configuration file on the system. So I'm going to go through, find all my files. I'm going to filter out procsys and boot just because I still want to try to get a bootable system if I can, maybe, sorta, a little, and go ahead and just blank out the file. So I'm going to use the file command to kind of figure out exactly what is a plain ASCII or text file and ignore anything else, including executables. And to blank out the file, I'm going to cat dev null and redirect that output into the name of the file. That way it will still overwrite the file even if there's an open file handle to it. It's a very handy trick if you are a system administrator and you have a log file that's running away, but you're not allowed to restart the process just yet. And as always, you want to test before you run, so let's change this from a cat to an echo and wrap it in some quotes just to see what we get. So permissions, go ahead and run. Okay, so there's a number of things here that will definitely make it so we don't have a usable system anymore. Most notably our user things like Etsy G-Shadow, Etsy groups down here below. It'd be nice to be able to pretend to log in at least, so let's go ahead and filter out the shadow file, the password file, and the group file as well. And now we can go ahead and test this again. Let's see. This all looks reasonably good. Well, for good, I mean like this is terrible and awful and you should never ever do this, but you know, hey, for our purposes, this is good. Let's do this thing. Oh man, this feels awful and wrong, and I like part of me just says don't do this. It's like I'm gonna do it anyway. Alrighty, let's go on. And it's completed. It only took about 5 minutes. It was super quick. I'm going to reboot with a Telnet 6. Telnet 6. I guess I will try the menu option then. What's that? Nope. So this is interesting. The screen is flickering like I'm pressing enter really, really fast. I'm trying to type in my password. I'm trying to type as fast as I can. It has not worked. Fast. Almost. Okay, let's try the menu again, and I have only one option. Well, I don't think that's the right one. So I guess I'll just use the physical power button then. And I've booted up into a blinking cursor. I guess that's all she wrote. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Bye. You're still here? Well, I guess that means you either really liked it or you really hated it. Either way, you know, leave a thing. Also leave a comment, because I want ideas on what other commands I should run, and I'm sure you've got some terrible ideas out there that I would love to hear about. Alright, thank you. Bye.